I got a call from an old Portuguese guy. He's got a problem with his AC, and he said the fan's not working, but it could have been iced up and the fan wasn't working. I mean, we have to go by there and see what he's talking about. Supposedly, I was going to go by there yesterday, called him, and he was supposed to meet me there in 10 minutes. He never showed up for like 20, so I took off. I don't like doing that. Usually if people aren't home and they're going to meet me there, a lot of times they'll lie about the time. So I got a little pissed off yesterday. I said, fuck him, I'm leaving. So he's calling me 10 times again this morning, so he's home this morning. I'll go by over there, and I'm sure he's going to be the helicopter type. He'll be the helicopter type, Miss Molly. Oh yeah, you know he's going to be Miss Molly. Miss Molly. Yeah, he's going to be the helicopter type. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots. I got a bunch of AC calls to do this morning, so try to get some footage. I get a kick out of some of these comments I get. Oh my God, I wouldn't do a gas and go. I'd fix the system. Okay, guy. Yeah, you're gonna fix the system, all right. People don't want to spend the money, and you're gonna fix the system for them. Oh, finally, I can fix the system. Oh yeah. Okay.
Turn right on Chase Road.
Fucking blowback. I'm not a non-profit here. I only can do what the customer wants me to do. Need a new evaporator. Sometimes you can't even get them, or if it's an old system. Unbelievable. Everybody's a fucking know-it-all, Molly. Yeah.
Turn right on Chase.
So it's not leaking no more, right?
No.
Have you changed the filter?
Yeah, I changed.
Where is it? Upstairs or is it here? Right here?
Yeah.
Alright. So how do we get up in the attic?
It's here.
There goes the fan right there.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's not blowing down.
Well, it's because it probably needs a charge outside.
Oh, okay.
See, the fan's working now.
Yeah.
I just put on fan on. Right?
Yeah.
And what could happen is if it's low on charge outside, the thing will ice up.
Oh,
and then
okay.
it won't blow.
Oh, I
So we're good here with this. We're going to check it outside, all right?
Okay.
So I got fan on. I'm going to put that fan to automatic. Let's see what we got here. Fan, we'll go to fan automatic. And then the system, we're going to go to cooling. Heat, cooling. Did you just put this in?
Yeah.
System. Alright, cooling. That's what we want. Alright, so on cooling, fan automatic, we're set for 70.
Yeah.
Alright, and we'll push hold. So it's going to be on a delay, and then we'll check the system outside, alright?
Yeah.
Goodman. Seems like it's running here. Seems like it's running. Now you said you turned it on and the air wasn't coming out. How hot was it when you turned it on?
Used to be sometimes.
No, how hot was it when you turned on it? Was it like 80 when you turned it on? 90?
Yeah.
All right, so if it's 90 in the house, when you turn on the air conditioner, it's going to take a while for it to cool.
No, it's not cooling.
Was it cooling?
No.
All right, let's check it because it seems to be. Seems like it's working okay now, but.
Yeah,
Let's check it. Let's
been working all the time.
Let's put the gauges on it. What about this shit? Can you move this thing? Oh no, probably not. All right, I'll be all right. Yeah, we're full. Now what's this little line doing? Why is it so small?
Oh,
This is what you're talking about. Got blocked. You shouldn't have. What do you got this in here for? Water in the grass?
Yeah.
That's not good. That's not a good idea.
No, the water goes over here.
Yeah, but you got to make sure that stays clean, guy.
Yeah, it's clean.
Where does it go?
Yeah, it's
Look at this dum-dum.
I used to push the water to the tree.
That's not a good idea because it just should be dumping out. That's why you ruined
No, the water no stays there.
You sure?
Yeah, because this is all clean.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
as long as you know.
Yeah.
As long as you know it's gonna, that's a potential problem.
Air conditioner I have downstairs.
Huh?
This is another air conditioner
okay.
I have downstairs.
Let's put the gauges on and let's see what it's doing, all right? See what the pressures look like, and we'll be able to see what it's doing right here with the stuff. All right, you see here?
Yeah.
See we're below 100? That's going to be above 100 because it's 410A. And see we're at 46?
Yeah.
We put gas in it, that'll come down to about 20 or so. So you're low on Freon, it's going to ice up like that. At 86, let me show you what 86 is. This 410A right here. See this chart, 410A?
Yeah.
Right? 86. We'll say 85, right? 24 degrees. So what's happening is at 87 or say 90, even though it's at 90, it's still only 25 degrees at 90. See it? So if you don't put gas in this thing, it's going to ice up upstairs. And then it's going to be a giant ice cube, and the fan's not going to blow through the ice cube.
Oh,
So you want to add it?
yeah, sure.
If not, it's not going to work.
Yeah.
All right, let me get some. We'll put a little juice in there, and you'll be okay.
Yeah. Okay.
That's definitely a problem. I'll tell you right now, it's not gonna work like that. It's got to be above 100. It's at 86. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm trying to explain it to you so you get a grasp for what's going on. Alright, we're gonna put a little juice in there. A little how you doing. And when you'll see when I'm all done, I'm gonna show you the pressures again, okay? And see what it looks like. Give it a little gas. Every so often, I see this outside coil.
Yeah.
I want you to hit this with the garden hose, like a nice fine spray, to keep this coil clean, because the air comes in from the outside and blows out the top. If this gets full of dust,
Yeah.
it won't work right.
Okay.
So every so often, once a year or something, come here with the garden hose,
Yeah.
and like a fine mist. You don't want to bend the coils, but you want to keep it clean.
I can blow with the compressor.
No,
No.
you want to use water.
Water.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't want to use a power washer because you'll bend all the fins.
Okay.
So it's going to be, something that you could flush the coil out.
Okay.
So I'm thinking like a fine spray.
Okay.
You got a different spray pattern.
Yeah.
You don't want to put nothing that's too good and then bend all the fins, like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I might have to get another tank. This tank's probably empty. This tank's about empty. But I got more in the truck, so. Alright, we'll give it a little bit more. Gotta get another tank. I'm done, I'm gonna show you what to look for, okay? You can see like this line right here is not sweaty.
Yeah.
See this suction line, it's not sweaty?
Yeah.
See that, how it's dry?
Yeah.
You're gonna see when I'm done how it's gonna act, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put a little bit in and let it settle out. See, right now we're at 106. See, we're above 100. And then this, we're gonna drop this. This is gonna start coming down here. See the 32?
Yeah.
See how it's dropping? We gotta give it a little time. Make sure we don't want to overshoot it, but we want to get that about 20, somewhere close. Subcooling's good at 9.5. So you could tell that it was low. It was at 85, right?
Yeah.
What would have happened was if you run it like that, it would have iced up because it's below freezing.
Yeah.
So what happens is if you lose the charge, when you run it, the suction pressure drops low. The lower the pressure, the lower the temperature.
Oh, I see.
So now that it's got gas in it, I'm not saying it's perfect yet, but see, we're above 100, we're 105. That's probably like 105 is probably 38 degrees or something. It won't freeze, right? At 35. 32 is freezing.
Yeah, 32.
Right? 106. Just so you got to feel, 105 is 34 degrees. See it? So at that, you know, it's not going to freeze. Does that make any sense to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Add a little bit more. So what I think happened was, you see, it iced up, and then the fan was running up there, but you couldn't hear it because it was a giant ice cube.
Yeah, I can.
And then it wouldn't cool.
Yeah.
Because of that. We're giving it a little, how you doing? A little bit of gas, and we'll dial it in. You might have to have the charge every couple of years, put a little bit in or something.
Okay.
I mean, most likely the leak's in the evaporator. But to change the evaporator, it's going to cost you a lot of money. You know, by the time you get the evaporator, come here, reclaim it, you're probably looking at like maybe 25 to 3,000. So this here, just so you know, I mean, if you wanted to fix the leak, it could be a lot.
Yeah.
Why don't we put the charge in to see how long it lasts for, and then you know your system's got a leak in it.
Yeah.
If you want to go to that extra, you know, to fix it permanently, you know, it could be a lot.
Yeah.
And if it only takes a couple of pounds, it won't be that big of a deal. Gotta weigh your odds. Know what I'm saying? So you got a car that's burning a little bit of oil. Do you add oil every couple of months, or do you rebuild the motor? It depends, right?
Yeah.
Depends how bad it is.
Yeah, depends how bad it is. So keep at it. That's all.
All right, so we're 114 on our suction. 17 on the superheat, and 9 on the subcooling. So that's good. Now feel this coming out nice and hot.
Yeah.
Feel this line here. Feel how that's wet. You're gonna feel that. Feel how Feel how it's wet and it's cold.
Yeah.
It's cold. It's coming back. It's gonna cool the compressor off. It's refrigerant cooled. With you being low like that, you can heat this compressor up and it could shut off. So there's a lot of things that come into effect here as far as running it properly and having the proper charge. So we're right at 19, we're good right there, that's perfect. So next year when you run this thing, after about 15 minutes, you come out here, it's not cold.
Okay, I call you.
Or if it's getting icy, then you're low on charge. this right here will get ice.
Okay.
Now the covering stops it from sweating.
Yeah.
That's the only reason why we put covering on it, to stop it from sweating. So you could feel it right here where it goes in.
Yeah.
If you see that's white, you gotta shut it off.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, so we're on the same page here. You got a feel for what's going on?
Yeah.
Okay. I think you're gonna be all right. I'll weigh the tank. We'll see how much we put in.